What is up there, guys? Abdel here, and on today's video we're going to be showing you how to clean off your lens for dirt cheap. All you're going to be needing is a few Q-tips, some water, and a brush. Let's get on with it. So as you can see, the protection lens for this 20x80 ultrasonic lens is completely filled with fingerprints and dirt all over it. First thing I'm going to do is use my brush and brush all the dust downwards to the table in order to get all that off the protection lens, like this. That's for getting all the dirt off the lens. So now for the fingerprints. Fingerprints, I'm going to be using one of these Q-tips, drop it in some water, just like so, and then I'm going to divide this protection lens into just like that, and I'm going to be taking the first half and then just go in a circular motion in order to get all of those fingerprints off. That's for the first half. And I'm just going to take the dry part of the Q-tip So that's done for the first part. As you can see, on this half we have the initial fingerprints that we had in this protection lens, and on your right side we've got the clean one. The fingerprints you can see right now are those on the back of the lens, so let's get those clean as well. See, the left side is the part that we're going to just leave to compare it to when we get this clean. So as you can see, there's a few right here. I'm going to get that cleaned with the wet part first. Now with the dry part, always in circular motion. There we go. See, on the left side it's the part that's dirty, and on the right side the part that's clean. So now we do the second part of this lens. There we go. So now we take it apart. There we go. It's clean on both sides. As for the lens itself, it seems quite clean, but I'm just gonna do it either way just to keep it extremely clean, to get those nice and perfect and sharp pictures. So let's get on with it. As usual, the wet part first. Just agitate those little microbes, dust stuff. Now with the dry part, and you just clean it off. And there you have it, a clean lens on both sides. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing for more videos.